Well, hello campers, this is Mericle RV here in Fort Lupton, Colorado with a brand new 2021 Shadow Cruiser 248 RKS. That's a rear kitchen with the slide, just came in. Start on the outside and we'll work our way in. So you got an electric tongue jack, very nice, very easy to get on and off the back of your vehicle. 2 propane tanks. We do include your battery here at Mericle RV at no additional charge. Very nice LED running lights. Portable solar plug-in to trickle charge that battery for those longer trips when you're boondocking. Really nice big finished pass-through storage compartment with lights on either side. Additionally, you can see the aluminum framing and the aluminum construction here. So very lightweight but very strong. Very nice laminated fiberglass with that aluminum framing. Love the slam shut latches right there. GVWR is 7469 on this one with 1754 in your cargo capacity. Now, since this is a rear kitchen, you have your bathroom up here in the mid area, which is why your drains are up front. And you do have your bathroom drains in the back. Here's your water heater. Your hookups are on the back, which is kind of nice if you're backing up into a campsite. You got your tank flush, your 30 amp electrical plug, city water, outside shower, and cable and satellite hookup, spare tire, pre-wired for a backup camera. Coming across the front here, you can see the electric stabilizer jacks. So you got 2 rocker switches on the front and the back. Look how easy this is to set up. Extremely convenient. Just runs off your 12-volt battery system. This sets up in no time with little to no work. Everything is electric. Electric slide, electric stabilizer jacks, electric tongue jack, and big electric awning. Look how much space that is of shade that you get. Indoor-outdoor Bluetooth stereo system. You also got the extended season package here with a great insulation from Asdel. 2 doors on this one. One in the back, 2 axles, and one in the front. There's that other pass-through storage side here on the front of it. Really nice, sleek look. I love the design they did this year. Let's head on inside and take a look. As I said, this is the 248 RKS. Your dry weight is at 5683. 5683 dry weight. Love these steps. Makes it easy to get in and out. Oversized grab handle. We'll close this. So first thing I want to point out, when you enter in, through the door here, you got your controls. So it makes it really nice. You can be leaning in from outside to get that slide in and out. The awning, your battery disconnect, lights, water heater, water pump, and then you can check your tanks. Your Bluetooth stereo system, it does have a CD player built in, which is very nice. And there's your TV. So how cool is this? Now this TV is on a switch, so it does go up and down, giving you great views of nature when you'd like to, maybe during the day, and then at night when you're putting a movie on or want to check out the news, you just bring this up. How cool is that? Nice little HD TV there. Pretty neat. Love the storage compartments all throughout. Now I've seen trailers that cost twice as much where these don't stay upright on their own. This is great. Makes it really easy to load and unload all your gear. So you enter in the door, controls on that side. On this side, you got your closet. Nice lighted area, even with an electrical plug in it, but tons of storage space. Looking at the rear kitchen, I love the little shelves they give you here. Very nice. Got an actual propane oven, 3-burner cooktop on the range. Wonderful, lovely glass cover from Suburban, keeping it nice and usable space. You got light and fan here. Pretty nice. Really nice modern design, actually. Looks really good. Microwave and some storage. Check that out. Love all the windows you get here as well. You get lots and lots of great natural light. Look at all that storage. And your deep farmer sink with the cover. It's often used as a cutting board by people. Coming across here, you can see your slide. So your slide is the refrigerator, which is really well positioned with the kitchen area. You have a whole kitchen area here and a great hangout area with the couch. That is a sofa sleeper. It does fold out. You can sleep about 2 people there. Maybe a couple of kids on the dinette as well. More storage and more windows. Really impressed with the amount of windows. And I'm also really impressed with the quality of the construction. Very sturdy, very well built. There's your dinette that does convert into a bed. Also notice the rounded kind of barrel roof, giving you a little bit extra height. Feels really really open in here. Nice ducted air conditioning and ducted heat. So from your living area, well, you can walk up into the bathroom area. You have your wine guard antenna powered here. Look at this window. This is awesome. You can get some great airflow in here, great natural light. So before you get up to the bedroom, you have your bathroom as a mid-bath, as I mentioned. So you see your heat duct, lots of storage. Lots of storage. Great, great, great. All that toilet paper you've been hoarding, just make sure it's RV toilet paper. Foot flush toilet. Great place to hang up your robe or towels. And nice big shower compartment with that skylight. Very cool. The all-important bathroom fan. So pretty neat. Coming across here, your light switch for the bedroom. Window on either side of the bed giving you some great airflow. Good sized bed here. You got your wardrobe hanger right here. And storage up top. Also, very nice that they do include that bedroom fan, excuse me. And then check out the storage. I really like how it's just one big open storage area instead of lifting the top. It really makes the space very usable. And I love this extra addition of drawers, 3 drawers, and a closet. Wow, look at that space. Put a shelf in there, you can load up all your stuff in there, very nice. And then you have the second door. So you have a bedroom door with its own little peephole, making it pretty nice with a screen. What I love to point out about this, when you come in through this bedroom door, you have access to the bathroom even if the slide is in. So imagine that slide in all the way, you can still come in, use the restroom and hit the road without having to move that slide out. That's a great feature and a great thing to think about is how much access do you have to your camper when that slide is in. So very nice. Again, this is Mericle RV in Fort Lupton, Colorado. MERICLERV.com or at 970-833-1395. 970-833-1395. Hope you have a great 2021. Let us know how we can help you. We have campers for everybody. All different types, from truck campers, pop-up trailers, to big campers like this, and a lot of bunkhouses in stock right now, including our fifth wheels. So thank you very much for your time. 970-833-1395. Happy camping, friends, and take care.